Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about the Airoh Terminator Open Vision. So here is the Airoh Terminator Open Vision in the pure white color with some nice black details around the helmet. So design itself, it's really nice and modern. The shape is really curvy. It has really a lot of interesting details all over the helmet. The beautifully done the frontal part, the really nice this top part of the helmet. Also behind we have really nice vents, the logo again. On the top of the helmet we have really nice vents, and on the frontal part also the vent and the dust filter, which is quite cool feature if you drive around the dirt and the mud roads, because it's not held to breathe something like that. So the helmet, it's in pure white color. I took this because I'm still not sure what kind of the equipment and the gear, what colors I will wear in the future, and from that reason I wasn't sure about the perfect color of my first helmet, which is really important detail. This is my first helmet and I found it after the months of searching. The white one, I thought it would look cool if I had some details and customize on my own, like some stickers or some zebra print or something like that. I will see. You will find out later how this helmet will look at the end. So another cool feature that helmet has, except the dust filter, over here we have emergency straps, which is really, I guess it's really important if you need to quickly take off your helmet from the head because you need some air or you are in danger. So when you pull these things, the complete inside part of the helmet goes easily off, and it's really easier to take the complete helmet out from your head. Another thing that I would mention is the antibacterial and washable lining inside the cheek pads that are soft and comfortable. My size is extra small, and regarding this part I'm not sure, is it because the size of my head or the shape of my head, but it's not quite fits well at the moment. I read a lot and I found out that it needs to pass some time that the shape of the helmet starts to look like a shape of my head inside. So maybe it's because it's super new. Maybe later with some time the helmet will be more comfortable than now at this moment. It's really not something really big deal. It's just the pressure on the top of my head, where when after wearing of about 30 minutes or an hour I start to feel a little pressure, but it's not something that I should worry about. So if you have some round heads, try to read more about the sizes and try to pick the one that fits you well. Also, if you have Terminator, please try to comment down below what size you wear and what size the helmets you wear in general, so maybe we will find something new and some important information regarding this. So another thing that I wanted to talk about is maybe the most important thing for this helmet is the weight. It's super lightweight, and this is the reason why I took her, because it weighs only 1020 grams, which is really small, in extra small. I think it's something around 1.2 kilos if you take M or L size, but I'm not sure. I think the size of helmets itself is really important, especially if you go to long drives, and it's really good to have something light on the head, but on the other hand really hard and really safe for the head and the skull. The helmet is made from the carbon fiber, so basically that's the reason also why it's really light, and it's, I would say, the second from the top model from the Airoh, except the Aviator, which are, I would say, the most expensive helmets from the Airoh and the most lightweight. The Open Vision, I guess, comes from the idea that it's really wide over here, so you have really nice corners, you can see all around. If you wear sunglasses, it fits perfectly between them. So over here we have a screws, so you can change the level of the height and of the shader. All in all, it's worth of money. I bought mine from the motocard.com, and if you want to find the specific helmet, and please see below, I will leave the link and you can take your own tomorrow. If you like this video, please comment down below, subscribe us. It will be more videos, we will drive more, we will post some more new super cool gears and techs that we will use in our videos. So here we go. Bye. Dogs, say bye.